In today's video, I'm going to show you how to raise your hand in Zoom, whether you're a participant or a host. This is perfect for virtual classrooms, meetings, or webinars. If you're on a desktop or web version, look at the toolbar at the bottom of your Zoom window and click Reactions. Then select the Raise Hand icon. Your hand will appear next to your name in the participants panel and the host will get a notification. To lower your hand, go back to Reactions and click Lower Hand. For quick access, Windows users can press Alt plus Y and Mac users Option plus Y. As a host or co-host, you'll see raised hands in the participants panel and can address them in order. If someone forgets to lower their hand, you can do it for them. In webinars, only hosts and panelists see raised hands, keeping things organized. You can also spotlight participants to focus attention during discussions. And that's it. Now you know how to raise and manage hands in Zoom, keeping meetings interactive and organized.